G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. This is August 17, 2023, and this is the US dollar currency update. Well, what I've got here is the price is still increasing along with the CCI and the Stochastic on the daily chart. If I zoom out, you can see there it's broken past that, or approaching that previous high, and it's broken past this 100% level of that previous Fibonacci range. So again, further upside looking out on this on the Stochastic as well. It's broken up past the midpoint, so in a bullish environment. So it's doing quite nicely in terms of advancing. On the hourly chart, you can see there it's, since our last video, it has made further advancement, but notice we've got a bearish divergence on the CCI versus the price. Now the Stochastic is still rising, so as long as the CCI stays in this downtrend, we're going to expect the price to pull back to some degree. Now, in terms of let's assuming it starts turning down in the next hour or two, we're going to draw it from that high there, so from that low there to that high, and our initial target area will be between the 23 and the 38% level of that Fibonacci range. So that'll be our initial target area, but we need to see it break below this moving average in terms of a trend line. You can use the moving average, or you can use a trend line, and that will probably be something like, well, that's probably a bit too sharp. If I was going to draw that again, let me just delete that. Probably draw it. You need to draw it through a few key areas, probably something like that, to break below that trend line, which will probably coincide with that moving average as well, to go short and aim for that initial area. That's assuming it turns down from where it is at the moment. Of course, it could go higher. Now, for this divergence to invalidate, we need to see the CCI break higher than that area there. So it needs to be higher than that point there. So at the moment, it's looking like making further bullish movement, but we might have a bit of a retrace in the short term. To understand how to trade some of the divergence or even trend trading analysis, subscribe to my Patreon page and support us there, where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.